Hello everybody, it's Amanda from Scrimpingmommy.co.uk, and today I'm coming to show you the contents of my Stampin' Selections kit for January. It is based around the new suite called Painted Love, and if you look in your Spring Summer catalogue, I'll just quickly show you mine. It's a bit, it's seen better days. It's well loved already is my catalogue. This is the suite that it's based around, and you find it on pages 18 and 19. Okay, so the stamp set that coordinates with this kit is called Heart Happiness. So that's available to order. You can order it separately, and I can arrange that it can go inside your kit and be sent at the same time. So what is in this kit? Well, first of all, we've got the beautiful papers. And if I just zoom out, let's have a look. You can see that they are foiled. Absolutely stunning. They're double-sided. They're beautiful, beautiful papers. And you will get one of each. So you get in half a pack. And you get these in the 12 by 12 size. I don't cut them down. That way you can use them for whatever you want. You know, and you've got no limitation on size. So you get them as they come. So you get in a half of a pack of the DSP. I'll just bob that there. And then we get in the beautiful 12 by 12 cardstock that goes with it. And we've got Melon Mambo. We have got Calypso Coral and Powder Pink. Okay, so there's the three colours, and that is the colours that coordinate with the DSP, and you're going to get two of each of these. Okay, and again they're coming in the full 12 by 12 size. I'm showing you the kit slightly different today. I'm showing you just the components. I'm not showing you the kit as I put it together. I'm not going to be doing that anymore, and the reason for that being is that I want to stay competitive. So I want it to be a surprise, so only my customers will know what my kits are like. You can go and look at previous kits on my videos. If you go back, there are previous kits. You can look at the kind of standard of how I present things and how I package them all nicely and how I add handmade elements. But from now on, I'm just going to show the contents and not how I present them, and then it's an extra special surprise for the customer, and you know, it's can't be copied for want of a better word. You're also going to get some beautiful vellum sheets. These are in A4, not 4x4, A4 size. So you're getting a selection of those. Over on my blog will be a full list of all of the contents and exactly how many of each item you're going to get in your kit. So it will all be laid out there for you. You're also going to get a share of the gold faceted gems. These are normally presented in a little envelope, you know, and I'll personalise it and make it look really pretty. So you're getting a share of those. You're going to get a share of these lovely boxes that are very easily put together. I think there's 4 in each kit of these. They're awesome. You can decorate them. The DSP sticks on lovely. The fast fuse works beautifully. The glue works beautifully, even though they've got that, you know, shiny silvery look. You can decorate them up stunning. You're also going to get some of the beautiful foiled doilies, and we've got gold and silver, and you'll get half a pack of one of those. The idea of the kits is for you to get, you know, a selection of items from the suite without having to buy all of it. You're also going to get some of the new lovely tall, thin note cards and envelopes, and they're like that. I mean, they can even be altered. They're beautiful. I love those. And you're going to get 10 of those. And these, you know, they fold nice and neat, and they're super cute, and it's a new shape and a new size for Stampin' Up. So you're going to get 10 of those, including the envelopes. Now, you're going to get some lovely ribbons. And this is one reason I haven't bothered to do a ribbon share, because I put them in my kits so that, you know, I don't want to duplicate the same things. And one of the first ones you're going to get is this beautiful Stampin' Up lace trim. It's absolutely stunning. It's in very vanilla. It's super soft. It's beautiful. I really, really love it. It's very delicate and very pretty. So you're going to get 2 yards of that. Okay, so 2 yards of that one. And then you're going to get some of the pink shimmer ribbon. It is powder pink. Absolutely stunning. So again, it coordinates, and it's shimmer ribbon. It's beautiful, beautiful quality. So you're going to get 2 yards of that. And then as a little extra, you're going to get some of this beautiful gold ribbon, because it coordinates with the gold. If I just show you, coordinates beautifully with the gold in the DSP. The pink shimmer ribbon coordinates with the pink, and then the lace is just a beautiful, pretty extra that I just wanted to put in the kit. So the gold ribbon is white. It's got a white edge, and then it's gold in the centre, as you can see, and it's 1/8 of an inch, and you're going to get 2 yards of that one as well. Okay, so 6 yards of ribbon in total. Well, ribbon and lace. So you're getting an awful lot for your money in this kit, and they are presented beautifully. You don't just get these just thrown in a box. These come in separate sleeves to protect them, and everything else comes packaged individually and beautifully with handmade touches. I will also, let me just show you everything. A great big pile of stuff. I will also be including some dies that I cut out for you, a selection that I know will go nicely with this stamp set. We're not allowed to send stamped images, so I won't be stamping things and sending them, but we are allowed to send, you know, punched shapes and die cuts. So I'll be sending maybe some words, maybe some heart shapes for you to create a lovely project. And these kits are £21, and that includes all of the posting and packing. It comes in a 12 by 12 packaging, which is then wrapped in a waterproof bag, and you know, it's all nice and safe and secure. I wrap everything in tissue and present everything beautifully. So if you'd like one of those, get in touch with me at amandacharlesworth08@gmail.com. You can contact me on Facebook. You can leave a message on my blog. If you go on over to my blog today and click the tab at the top that says monthly kits, you will see all of the details exactly laid out for you of what is in this kit. So I hope that you'll give one a try. They are a monthly occurrence, so I'll be doing another one next month. And they're a great way to have a taster of, you know, lots of items in one suite without having to buy them all. So I hope you'll give them a try. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.